Hey guys, welcome back.
I drink till I'm drunk, smoke till I'm high, castle on the hill.
Today I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows because obviously I have none. So I already put the product on here, my eyebrows pomade, yes. And then obviously you need an eyebrow pomade to put eyebrows on. Then you need an eyebrow brush and a concealer brush to conceal and then conceal.
So I got y'all up close and personal so y'all can see all the flaws, so I got the brush, I had a little pomade or whatever on there. Then I start just forming the shape. I raise my eyebrow up, I guess, and I oh god.
Filling it from there.
I am not professional, so don't look at me talking about some. She thinks she all that. No. As y'all can see, I have some eyebrows now, The girl's getting somewhere, you feel? Yeah. You just feel like, honestly, this is what I do half the time. I put it on, don't even care. Because I'm gonna, fix it later on. My concealer, I mix it. I mix the darker one with the lighter. You can't see the lighter one. I mix these two to make my skin tone, I guess. I don't know. But I mix these two. And then I just start. Oh, that's too much. And then just go over the shape. Hold up. The top is basically already done, so I don't really need to do any on that part. But yeah. This brush, my eyeshadow brush, to just blend it in so it doesn't look too fake. And if your eyebrow shape is different, I just follow my eyebrow shape. But if yours is different, then obviously follow your eyebrow shape. Don't follow mine because you're gonna look crazy. And then do this other one. So basically just go under it. As perfect as you can. Obviously, mine is not perfect, obviously, but you'll probably do better than me, honestly. I'm just a mess. And top. Use the brush because it has some concealer on top, and just use it to even out the front because who wants blocky eyebrow fronts or whatever it's called. That's ugly. If you do that, you're ugly. I'm telling you right now, you're ugly if you do that. That's not cute. And I just blend it out like you did the other side. My eyebrows are different shapes as every other person's eyebrows. That's just normal. But yeah. I'm not really liking the shape of this one, but take this and this brush, just flat brush, and dip it in there just a tiny bit and dust off. I want you to see the little dust. Y'all can't see the dust. That's bad. And just this put on top. So cause I have really oily skin, so this just helps block it out, I guess, and mattify it. I don't know. See, it's a lot more subtle. Yeah. And it looks natural. I did that, whatever. But over here, I like my eyebrows to be more curved than this one is. So, let me see. Yeah. So basically, I'm done, but it's up to you how you want your eyebrows. But these are just not glam, regular, basic. What I would do for school. When going out, it's a totally different look. Because you gotta like match, gotta look curved, and then gotta make it look real good. For school, who cares? Like, I don't be that place, so. Yeah. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching this video, and subscribe.